Hey everyone! Well, this is a pretty cool first. Episode number 13 already. Uber, Lyft, driver, confessions, stories, whatnot. So this one starts with a girl. A friend of mine. A beautiful friend of mine. Her name is Diana. We've been friends just on social media for a couple of years, something like that. Hey Ratak, hey Mariah, nice to see you. Hi Deanne. So anyway, we've been friends for a couple of years. And so I pull up, I got this request. I have no idea. It's my friend that I'm going to pick up. And this just happened just a little bit ago. I'm home now. I'm showered because I'm going to go out. I wanted to get home and get in the shower. That's another story for another day. But anyway, I pick her up. And so she starts walking to my car. And within 1 second of me seeing her, I'm like, oh, no shit. I point to her. I'm like, no shit. And she looks at me a split second later. No shit. And we just start laughing. And it was the coolest thing. And then eventually I get out of the car, big hugs all around. Nice to meet you finally, you know, because this is a friend I'd only had on social media for like the past couple of years. And so I take her to her destination. She's with another friend, and they're both just dressed to kill. They're going out. The band might be starting by now. I don't know. But I took them to this place that was only like a 1.5-minute drive away. So it wasn't very long, but it was still pretty freaking cool. And it's like, wow, what are the odds? And both of us are just beside ourselves the entire 1.5-minute drive. I'm still beside myself. She's probably still beside herself. So that was really cool. Both of them dressed up, dressed to kill. So I'm sure they're having a great time. And gorgeous ladies. And so yeah, that's my only story. Nothing really inspirational or educational or, you know, some crazy thing. Just something that was really cool that I wanted to share with you guys. So hope you enjoyed that little story. And by the way, every dollar that I make, every red penny that I get, or green penny because I'm in the profit. Anyway, I've never spent any of it on myself. I've never saved any of it. It all goes towards my affordable housing project and a little bit towards Gerson because they heal people from all kinds of things, including cancers, using nature, not medicine. Oh, I love that. And the King's Ransom Foundation, they rescue kids from human trafficking rings. And they also feed kids who are starving to death and people that are in war-torn countries and things like that. So a little bit is donated to those two places, and then the rest of it all goes towards my affordable housing project. And then as far as making sure I'm covered with my own bills and whatnot, the girl I was dating over 10 years ago invited me into a home business, to which I said no to for 3.5 months until I said yes. So I learned how to add health and wellness to people's lives and make residual money doing that. So that's how the bills are paid, and I'm able to do all this other stuff that makes a difference in other people's lives with affordable housing and the different charities that I mentioned. So those of you that are interested in that, like turned on by it, private message me. I'll show you what I got. You can see if it would be a good fit for you. I'm going to go and read through these comments, and I'm looking forward to all the private messages I'll be getting. A lot of hellos. Hi Tom, I enjoyed it. Cool. I'm glad. Hey Erin, nice to see you again. Sarah, hey Sarah. Good night Deanne. Thanks for stopping by for a minute. Sunny, just Tom with no shirt on. Whoop whoop. Thanks. Hi Andrea. Hi Sue. That's cool. It's really good stuff, Tom Berkemeyer says. Kate. Well, thank you, Kate. That is pretty cool stuff. I'm a very sentimental guy. I've always been sentimental. And so that kind of stuff just, you know, gets to me in good ways, in good fuzzy ways, I would say. Hello, Amethyst, and everybody else. So that concludes the story and a bit of a shadow. Oh yeah, I gotta shave. I'll shave later. So my friend of a couple years saw me for the first time in person, not at my best because of this shadow here. And I also needed a shower at the time too. Oh, they also invited me to go out with them. It's like, oh, why don't you turn this thing off and come out with us? I said no. Am I a dick for saying no? Maybe. Maybe a little bit. Maybe I should have said yes. I don't know. I am going out in a bit here in Kenosha. I don't know if I really want to go back up to the Racine area though. And also, to hang out with my friend for the first time, I'd rather be in a place where we could talk because I don't shout over loud music. It just, not really much visiting there like that. So hopefully I'm not being a dick by saying no. Hi Angela, nice to see you. Hey you too, Aaron. Kate, looks great. Well, thank you. Hi Annie, haven't seen you in a really long time. Jessica, very, very nice to see you. I already told the story, everybody, so that's history. Jennifer, hi Jennifer, good to see you. Don't shave it. Kate, it's going it's going. We'll see. Most likely. Maybe I won't, who knows, but I think it's going to go. Just so you know. So the story is over, but this will be on my timeline and eventually YouTube, so you guys can go back and watch it if you want. It's kind of a really cool story, especially if you're of the sentimental kind. You really love my enthusiasm for life. You have a good heart. Ah, thanks, Angela. Selena. Oh, ha! I missed the story. Don't worry, Selena. It will be back because as soon as I tap finish right here, it'll be on my timeline. It's going to be archived, and you'll be able to hear the story. It's really cool. So, I'm going to finish getting ready here. Good night, everybody. I hope you do something fun, whether it's Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it doesn't matter. Do something fun. And if you want to live free of money and have time freedom, well, I gave that offer earlier. You can go back and watch it. Bye for now, everyone. Mwah.